Welcome to AI Force Hub, your ultimate channel for all the latest development in the AI space. Let's analyze the first jobs that will be replaced by AI in the near future. As artificial intelligence technology progresses, certain job sectors are more vulnerable to automation than others. Today, we will explore which jobs are likely to be the first affected. First on the list are customer service representatives. AI chatbots and automated response systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can handle a wide range of customer queries efficiently, reducing the need for human intervention. Next, we have data entry clerks. AI systems are exceptional at processing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. This capability makes manual data entry increasingly redundant, as AI can perform these tasks faster and with fewer errors. Another job facing significant impact from AI is the role of telemarketers. With AI's ability to analyze consumer behavior and master speech nuances, automated systems are now able to conduct sales calls and even handle basic negotiations, making human telemarketers less necessary. Moving to the transportation sector, drivers of delivery and taxi services are also at risk. Autonomous vehicle technology is advancing rapidly, and it is expected that self-driving cars will eventually dominate these industries, reducing the demand for human drivers. In the realm of manufacturing, assembly line workers are likely to see changes too. Robots and automated systems have already started to take over repetitive tasks in production lines, offering precision and efficiency that far exceed human capabilities. Lastly, retail workers, particularly cashiers, might see their roles changing. Automated checkout systems and smart stores where customers can simply pick up items and leave without a traditional checkout process are beginning to emerge, signaling a shift in how retail operates. As we observe these advancements, it's clear that AI is reshaping the workforce. However, this transformation also opens up opportunities for new jobs focused on managing, programming, and maintaining AI systems. Subscribe to the channel for the top AI news every day for you, and register on www.aiforcehub.com to be always updated with the latest AI news, deals, and tutorials